This is AI Finance Daily. Most people are getting this wrong. Today, we fix that. The subject: the cyber attack risk that keeps every AI company CEO awake at night. Cyber attacks today pose a tangible existential threat, particularly for companies in the AI sector. It's not just a hypothetical risk. It's a reality that companies face daily. Let's examine one potential scenario: a 40% drawdown in a company's market value due to a successful cyber attack. Imagine a company that relies heavily on proprietary data and machine learning algorithms. A sophisticated attack could expose this data, leading to a breach of client trust, regulatory penalties, and an immediate stock price drop. Such an event could take place in a matter of hours. On October 7, 2022, the Colonial Pipeline attack resulted in a loss of nearly $5 billion in valuation. A stark reminder of the direct impact of cyber vulnerabilities. It's important to consider why this issue keeps CEOs awake at night. The growing complexity of AI systems creates a larger attack surface, making them increasingly vulnerable. More than 75% of organizations reported experiencing an increase in cyber threats due to their reliance on AI technologies, according to a 2023 survey from Cybersecurity Ventures. Now, let's address the bull case. Investors pour capital into AI companies because of their potential to revolutionize entire industries. In this rapidly evolving environment, many companies believe they can stay a step ahead of the threat landscape by hiring top talent and implementing advanced security measures. The promise of AI includes massive efficiencies and cost reductions that can significantly bolster margins. However, while optimism about AI's potential is undeniable, we must also confront the stark reality of the risks involved. The financial implications of a cyber incident can be devastating. In addition to immediate financial losses, there are long-term effects on brand equity and customer loyalty. According to IBM's Cost of a Data Breach Report 2923, the average total cost of a data breach is estimated to be approximately $445 million. For smaller firms, that can represent a significant portion of their annual revenue. So, what steps can executives and investors take to protect themselves against this looming threat? First, companies must perform rigorous risk assessments. Understanding your vulnerability points is critical. Employing potential scenarios to streamline that analysis is vital. This means investing in cybersecurity training for employees and ensuring strong authentication practices are in place. The organizations that exhibit resilience often have robust incident response plans already established. Second, diversification is key. Just as investors diversify across industries to mitigate risks, companies should not concentrate all their technological resources in one AI solution. Instead, they might consider developing multiple AI products or using varied methodologies to protect their intellectual property and data. This way, they can contain the fallout from potential breaches. Finally, let's keep it real. This is a risk scenario, not a certainty. One scenario is that AI companies could face heightened regulations regarding data security, potentially limiting their ability to innovate. Alternatively, it's conceivable that the effectiveness of AI in preemptively identifying cyber threats could grow, leading to a safer environment for these firms. When facing the sleepless nights brought on by cyber attack fears, risk management is paramount. Companies need to not only innovate to capitalize on AI opportunities, but also invest in cybersecurity as a core component of their strategy. Ask yourself, are you prepared to navigate the complexities of this dual landscape? The mixed stories the numbers tell can sometimes be obscured by the optimistic narratives pushed by the industry. It's about balance, understanding the numbers behind the hope, and recognizing the risks that lurk beneath the surface. In closing, the figures discussed here are drawn from publicly available data. Always verify before making any financial decision. This is educational content, not financial advice. That wraps up AI Finance Daily. One small ask: if this was useful, hit follow. It costs you nothing, and it means we can keep making this. See you next time.